Hello everyone, you are watching Towheed Tech. Welcome to my unboxing video of DJI Osmo Action 3 camera. This is a adventure combo pack I bought from Amazon. Price for this one is £379. Of course, you can also buy directly from DJI. Price would be there $399. So let's open up the brown box from Amazon. Put that on a side. So this is DJI Osmo Action 3 Adventure Combo Pack. Compared to the standard combo, this one have a few extra item in there, few extra accessories. So as I mentioned, this is a adventure combo pack. So this one have a cellophane on. So we are going to take the cellophane off first with a knife. It would be easy. Put that on a side. So this is very nice, beautiful packing of DJI Osmo Action 3 camera adventure combo pack. So I'm going to show you what's inside the box. This back of the box, there's more information. So there's a main feature mentioned in back of the box, which is 4K 120 super wide FOV mode, horizon steady, cold resistant and long lasting battery, quick release vertical mount, spot vertical and horizontal. So this camera have a 16-meter waterproof, dual touch screen, and there's more information what's contained inside the box. So this one have a Osmo Action 3 camera, 3 extreme battery, 1 adhesive base clip, 1.5 meter extension rod, 2 locking screw, user manual, horizontal and vertical cage, multifunctional battery case, 2 quick release adapter, 1 USB-C cable and one rubber lens protector. So before you open up the box, there's one more green tape in there. You can cut it out or you can just peel it off. So box open up just like that. So these are the content inside the box. There's more information as you can see on the inside the box lid. To show you how you can install a DJI Memo app, you can scan the barcode and there's information about the batteries and the battery case and how to install the battery inside the camera, how you can install the cage and the memory card in there. So first of all, there's a camera here. We'll put that on a side. We'll take a look into the camera in a moment. In this box, I believe there's accessories, clips, screws, vertical cage, everything in there. We'll take a look into this one in a moment as well. On the side compartment in here, there is a selfie stick from DJI. Very beautiful packing, very nice, strong, amazing selfie stick. As I mentioned, the length of this stick is 1.5 meter. Quite nice and strong selfie stick. You can use your action camera, any action camera you can attach to this selfie stick and you can use for your video recording. Let's put that on a side. There's nothing inside else. There's a few DJI stickers in there you can use, and this is a battery and charging case. There's a 3 bats should be inside the box, and there's some quick guide information papers, user manual. Will show you how you can set up your camera, how to use it, where the buttons and where the battery case, here you can scan your barcode again to install the DJI Memo app. There's some information how to use it. Let's put that on a side. There's a safety guideline paper here as well, and there's some more paper which is in a different language and Chinese and English. Put that on a side. There is a USB 3 cable to charge your camera. So first of all, we are going to take a look into the battery case. Very nice packing. So this is a battery case. Have a power button. There's a button on side here and charging port on the right side. You can charge 3 battery on the same time. So there's a battery indicator LED light while it's charging. So there's a 3 battery inside, and also inside the lid there's a few memory card holder thing in there. You can store your memory card in there. I'll take out the one battery which we are going to use, and I'll put everything on the side. And now we are going to take a look inside this box. So everything stuck on this side. Silica gel in there. So this is a DC back padding you can use on your car dashboard or any glossy surface you can while you're recording or anything. There's one screw, and there is quick release adapter here, and there's another one. So 2 of them there in a box, and there's one more screw, and this is the cage to put your camera in there. I'll just rip off this one. There is a camera lens protector rubber, and this one is a cage you can use. This one have power button on the side, recording button. There's some space to connect your clip in here, just like that. So open up just like that. So there is already one rubber on the camera lens, so this one is an extra one, so there should be 2 in there. And let's take the cellophane out of the camera as well. So the V notch on the bottom, just like that. Put that on a side, and there is a one protector for the lens. Take that out as well. And this is a actual DJI Osmo Action 3 camera. Have a dual touch screen. On the left side there's a power button and quick shot button. There's a recording button on the top. On the underneath the power button there's a USB charging cable. You can connect your charging cable or your USB mic or USB DJI mic as well. And on the bottom you can connect your magnetic clip. It's quite strong, just like that. And if you have to release, you can just push the button on the side and it will take it out. It's quite strong. It's not gonna fall. It's quite strong. And on the left side, on the right side, battery compartment, you can just press and release, just like that. And I'm going to use the battery I took out earlier on. Just slide in. I'm also going to use ScanDisk Extreme Pro memory card, 256 GB. I'm going to put that in there as well, same time. I will go this way, push in just like that, and you can just slide the battery back just like that and hold power up. So first of all, when you turn on, you can select your language English, and now you have to scan your barcode to install the DJI Memo app in your phone if you haven't installed before. I already installed because I use DJI Air 2S drone, so I do have the DJI Memo app in there. I'm going to connect DJI Memo app with the camera, and I'm going to update the camera before I use, and then I'll come back. So guys, our DJI Osmo Action 3 been updated and connected with the DJI Memo app. So I'm going to show you some of the function in the DJI Osmo Action 3. If you press swipe left to the right in a screen, you will have an option here. You can select photo mode, video mode, HDR video, slow-mo, or time-lapse. I will keep on the video mode at the moment. And if you swipe upward, you can choose the resolution. You can adjust the frame size here. Currently on 4K 16:9. I'll keep the resolution on 30. I can choose any resolution on my desire video recording, so I'll keep in that one. Just swipe down, it will disappear the menu. If you swipe downward, you will get the menu option. Here you can select brightness. You can adjust the screen brightness on your desired level. Here is a option menu. You can choose and edit the snap button. You can select here video or HDR mode or time lapse, whichever you like to select it. You can control your Osmo Action 3 with the voice control. You can adjust that one as well here. Their OTG connection, there's a wireless connection here. Video compression, you can choose this one here. You can adjust the sound of the Osmo Action 3. I'll leave it on high at the moment. You can use a grade or non-grade. There's anti-flicker. This is on auto at the moment. You can add the time code in a video. You can naming the management. You can name your folder and the files in here. Screen off when recording. You can adjust the option where you like to keep the screen on and off. Here is a auto power button off. You can adjust the timing here. Right now this one is on 5 minutes. You can change it. There's a LED light option, as you can see. You can turn on that one. Horizon calibration, you can select this one here. Continuous last live stream, you can select the language, time, date. You can format your SD card just like that. Very easy. Done very fast. You can reset your Osmo Action 3 to the factory setting. Here is the device information, serial number, firmware, everything here. Here you can set the quick switch menu. You can tap. You can adjust some of the option here. Voice control, as I mentioned, you can turn on the voice control or on and off. You can lock the screen. Just need to swipe up the word to unlock the screen, just in case the accidental touch when you're recording. And there is a rotation lock, and then there is screen for the front. You can adjust the screen like small view or a big view. You can adjust that in here. I'll leave it on a default at the moment. So guys, I would like to show you how you can put the camera into the cage and attach the selfie stick also. So just open up like that. There's a V clip on the top, and then you can see just like that. You can slide in the camera and then just close the clip just like that, and there you go, it's ready. Now you can attach the clip horizontally or vertically, which way you like, just like that. And then you can attach the selfie stick just like that. and then you can screw in. Just like that, you can adjust the angle the way you like to record, and you can extend the selfie stick just like that, which is 105 meter and is quite strong and heavy duty selfie stick from DJI. And just like that, you can quickly release the clip, and you can just switch to the horizontal mode, which is much better way compared to the GoPro Hero 11, which is still using the old way. This is the new quick release system from DJI, is very nice and very strong magnet in there. Quick release you can attach with a few different attachment. If I have just like that, I can attach quickly with a selfie stick, or I can just release in here and I can attach with this one. So it's quite handy. The magnetic clip is very powerful and really nice. So this is my DJI Osmo Action 3 unboxing video. Please consider like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will bring you some more unboxing video in the future, and stay tuned to my channel. I will bring you the DJI Osmo Action 3 review video soon as well. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in next video.